Introduce highlight features of Carmaxer 10.1-inch pair touchscreen car headrest video players. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Fantastic for road trips, keeping children/family entertained with the headrest DVD player, watching video or playing games or listening the music etc. Driving in peace, the world is love and happiness. Your children will love road trips with our backseat monitor. Enjoy your favorite 1080p video. Play same video or different video. Two same DVD players can be connected together to play same videos. DVD/USB/TF mode. By AV to AV cable, you can share endless fun with your family. They can also work independently. Last memory/resume function can pick up from where you left last time, time saving. More function, built-in speaker/IR transmitter, for wireless headphones/FM transmitter, for car speaker, support SD/USB mode output, support 8-bits games. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.